a drink that I call the Red Zone. It's basically a kind of a spin on a tequila sunrise, which is sort of like a margarita with grenadine and orange juice. I'm going to spice it up with chipotle paste. You could also use, they have this chipotle and adobo stuff that comes in a can. You could use the sauce from that, or you could use chipotle paste. I'm just putting it right in the, about a quarter of a teaspoon or so, right in the container. Then I'm going to add, for sweetening, I'm going to add agave syrup, which is sort of taking the place of simple syrup, but because it's a tequila-based cocktail, agave goes really great with that, the whole mezcal thing. Now I'm using a reposado tequila, which is a little aged, but not too aged, but it's going to have a little bit of a brown color to it, golden color to it, which I think goes really nicely with the chipotle paste and the orange, instead of a silver tequila, which I often use in a margarita. We're going to add some orange liqueur to that. Any orange liqueur you like will do. Then you can't have a margarita without lime juice, so we're adding some fresh squeezed lime juice in there. And in sticking with the whole orange theme, I'm using, you could use regular orange juice. I just happen to have blood oranges on hand. So I'm going to use freshly squeezed blood orange juice. Again, you can use regular orange juice, that's fine. And then, I think she's about ready to shake. Shake, shake, shake. I've got my iced rocks glasses over here. You could serve this up too if you prefer. And look at that. I actually did not spill anything on the counter yet.
Is that done yet?
It all went in the glass. I can't believe it. Give me a raise.
I don't think we pay you anything.
Don't give me a raise. Give me anything. You know what I'm going to do, though?
He's paid in food. Let's just say that.
I've got some grenadine here, which I'm going to use a bar spoon and just, see how I got the back of the bar spoon there? So it kind of just gently goes over the top of the drink. And it looks really pretty. So I added a little bit of an orange peel there. Wow, look how pretty that is. Now, I don't know. I'm just saying, I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Cheers.
Cheers.